In this video, we are going to show you how to get 1,000 free credits on Manus AI. Now, to get 1,000 free credits, you need to create a new account. It's that simple. Now, once you've logged in, you're going to see this option here, this number here on the upper right corner of your screen beside your profile, right? So if you hover your mouse here, it's going to see, you're going to see a pop-up up here. It says free, right? You can upgrade to subscribe. You're going to see free credits here. I have 634 left. I started yesterday with 1,000, right? But of course, as you use Manus AI, and depending on what task you're making it do, you're gonna burn through those 1,000 credits. But you do get 1,000 when you start. Now you also get daily refresh credits, so you can refresh to 300 every day. So even if you're just using Manus for free, you get 300 free credits every day. Once you burned out the 1,000 you got, right? So that is how you get 1,000 credits on Manus AI. It is free when you sign up for a new account. And yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.